Hello, I am Dr. Ganesh Mishra. I'm painter, potter and sculptor. I'm here at IIITD Delhi for a pottery workshop. Started with a brief to the pottery world, then the materials, processing the clay, methods of using the clay for different articles, and trying to give them a finger exercise that they can do some kind of masterpiece, and taught them the different methods like mural making, 2D and low relief, high relief, and the process is on. This is the second day, and afternoon we are going to do 3D sculptures, which I think is a very interesting subject for the younger generation.
कि ज़ू में बहुत देर तक देख रही हूँ ना क्रोकोडाइल को.
Fortunately, I'm in the right place where they have all kind of equipments, and the students are also very, very, very energetic to understand this medium, and trying to give my best within this short time, but we wish that it should continue like this. If some students they take it serious, they will further carry out this kind of workshops in this college. And I'm happy to see this kind of activities happening in Delhi. And mostly they should focus on still with high-tech equipments and train the students up to that level. It's happening. It is amazing. I've seen that Department of Design is doing a wonderful job.